A properly sized chip in-feed system is required to remove coolant from chips prior to melting. The in-feed screw conveyor feeds the chips to a CSI patented wad buster. Bushy chips are being fed by the screw conveyor to the wad buster. The screw operates at 1 RPM. The wad buster wheel operates at 60 RPM. The wad buster performs multiple tasks. It separates piece parts and bar ends from wads of chips. It shreds the chips and it creates a flowable product, which is metered into the chip centrifuge. If a part fails to pass through the wad buster will reverse, causing the part to dislodge, alleviating jamming of the system and costly damage. The chips pass into the centrifuge, where 99% of the coolant is removed. Two chip centrifuges are available. The vertical, the Recamet style centrifuge, was developed in the late 50s and continues to be used today. The diagonal centrifuge was developed in the late 80s by ScrapTech and is now offered by CSI. Both centrifuges work satisfactorily. It is believed the diagonal centrifuge is easier to maintain since bearings and vibration isolators are mounted on the outside. The rotary melter represents the state-of-the-art scrap melting furnace. First step in the melt process is loading scrap into the furnace. Once the scrap is loaded into the furnace, the door is closed and the melt process starts. When the melt process is completed, the door opens, the furnace is tilted so as to discharge the molten metal into a collective device. After the melted metal has been discharged, the furnace continues to elevate, discharging slag and dross. This is technical data showing the melting process and unit capacities.